This episode follows a journey to the remote Qinghai Highlands to untangle the Beigong Pipes mystery through history, folklore, and expert insight. Local elders recount legends of sacred mountains and celestial signs while researchers evaluate mineral composition, ancient metallurgy, and unexplained alignments that fuel ongoing debates. Interviews with archaeologists and geologists shed light on conventional explanations and alternative theories, while travelers exchange observations from the windswept caves to nearby villages. Eyewitness accounts from truck drivers, hikers, and local guides add texture, showing how this mystery threads into daily life and pilgrimage. The episode weaves together facts, folklore, and field notes to reveal a growing map of questions that invites further exploration and wonder.